Good morning, Upper School, and welcome to our Friday assembly at the end of another busy week. So all of you in Upper School are approaching an important crossroads in your life. In the next few months, you're going to be making important decisions about how you want your education to continue when you've finished your GCSEs. Over the next few weeks, these assemblies will start to give you all the information that you need to make an informed choice about what is the best route for you. So last week we began this process by looking at apprenticeships, and I want to give a massive shout out to all of the 70 or so Year 11 students who took the initiative and attended the Ark Apprenticeship Expo to find out more. So over the course of 3 webinars on Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, we heard from apprenticeship leads and current apprentices at a wide range of hugely successful companies across lots of different sectors, including the BBC, Sky, the NHS, GlaxoSmithKline, Marks and Spencer's, PwC, and Mace Constructions, to name but a few. These sessions were all recorded, and they will be available for everyone to watch on the Upper School section of the website from next week. So if you weren't able to come, please get yourself over there and have a look at those. It was absolutely fantastic to see so many students being proactive about their future and getting all of that information that you need to make that informed choice. So please keep your ears open in assembly, check your emails, and listen carefully to your form tutors for news of more upcoming careers events. The Ark Boulton mission has always been to equip our students with the skills to go on to university or to pursue a career or an apprenticeship of your choice. In the past, students have had the option of applying for A-levels, BTEC courses or apprenticeship, and all of those are still available to you. However, this year there are 2 new options that you need to consider. These are T-levels and Ark pathways. So today we're going to talk about T-levels. T-levels, or technical levels, are a new course which are equivalent to 3 A-levels. They're designed to prepare students for skilled employment. Personal tutors, can you please pause the video and watch our first video from the link. So if you're not sure that university is the right place for you and you want to get into a well-paid technical job quickly, T-levels might be the route for you. So T-levels are a 2-year qualification. As we said, they're equivalent to 3 A-levels, with a course that includes a mixture of 80% classroom-based learning and 20% industry experience. So currently, there are T-levels available in the following job areas: design and planning for construction, digital production, design and development, education and childcare, and health and science. So if these are areas that you're already thinking about, then it's well worth exploring the possibility of T-levels. The key thing that sets T-levels apart from all of the other qualifications is that they've been designed specifically alongside real industry employers to make sure that students who complete a T-level course will end up with the right skills and experience they need to find a skilled job in that particular industry. So these have been designed alongside employers to make sure that they hit all of the correct skills that you'll need to be successful. An apprenticeship is 80% on-the-job work and 20% classroom work. T-levels, on the other hand, are the reverse. So they're 80% classroom learning and 20% work experience. This means that by the time you complete your course, you will have between 45 and 60 days of work experience in the industry where you know you want to work. So let's hear now from some T-level students about their experience of these work placements. Once you've watched the video, have a 2-minute class discussion about what the advantages of a course including real work experience might be. Personal tutors, pause the assembly and click on the link for the second video now. As well as preparing you fully for a job in a particular industry, T-levels are also recognised as rigorous academic qualifications, equivalent to completing 3 A-levels. The grading system takes account of both your classroom work and your performance in the work placement. And there are 4 levels of grade that you can achieve. So a T level, a pass, is equivalent to 3 C's at A level. A merit at T level is equivalent, to 3 B's. A distinction is equivalent to 3 A's, and there is something called a distinction star, which is equivalent to 3 A stars at A level. So although T levels are designed to give you on-the-job training that you need to quickly enter a skilled job, they also give you a chance to show your academic excellence. Completing T levels will also give you the UCAS points that you need to go on to university if you change your mind about going straight into a job and decide that you would like to complete a university degree. So completing a T level will not limit you in terms of going on to university. We've now learned about 2 routes into work which offer on-the-job experience. So let's compare apprenticeships and T levels. Apprenticeships are targeted at a specific job. You're working at the same time as training to do the job that you're employed with. On the other hand, T levels are targeted at a particular job sector, but you could still go on to take a range of jobs within that area. An apprenticeship is 80% based in the workplace and 20% in the classroom. Typically, you'll work 4 days a week at your job and then have 1 day at college per week. On the other hand, T levels are 80% classroom based and 20% in the workplace. That's a work placement which will last between 45 and 60 days over the course of your 2 years. An apprenticeship is a job, so that means it is paid work. You have all the benefits of working, but you also have all of the responsibilities of having a full-time day-to-day job. On the other hand, the work that you do during your T level is valuable work experience which will definitely help you to secure a job later, but it is not paid work. You'll be doing that as part of your training, not earning a salary. In terms of the academic qualifications, an apprenticeship at a level 3 is equivalent to 2 A levels, whereas a T level is equivalent to 3 A levels. However, it's worth remembering that apprenticeships go up all the way to level 7, and that higher level apprenticeships can be equivalent to up to master's degrees. So that's our brief introduction to T levels. If they sound like something you might be interested in, or you want to find out more information, there are 2 websites up on the board that you can go and have a look at. Personal tutors, if you have any time left at the end of the session, it might be worth clicking on these links and spending a bit of time going through them with your form. It's really exciting planning for your future and thinking about all of the wonderful things that you'll do when you leave Ark Boulton. However, there is one big step that we all have to take before we can jump into that future, and that is to pass our GCSE exams. Over the last week, your form tutors and heads of department have been conducting book looks, checking back through all of the work that you've completed since we started live streaming lessons. The good news is that lots of you have taken this incredibly seriously. The work you're producing, like the work on the board, is beautifully presented and of an incredibly high standard. This is outstanding. This is what we expect from Ark Boulton students in the upper school. This shows resilience, it shows self-confidence, and it shows self-discipline. If your book looks like the one on the board, well done. You are putting yourself in the best possible position for GCSE exam success. The bad news is that this is not consistent across all books and across all classes. Some of us are not taking these lessons seriously enough. Those book looks revealed that some people are not completing work to the highest standard, that some people are not completing work at all, that some people are not taking enough care of their presentation. I cannot stress to you enough how important these books are to your chances of success in GCSE. All of the evidence shows us that people who have taken high quality notes during class succeed at GCSE. These books are the best revision tool that you will have when it comes to revising. They cover everything that you need to know. So if you miss work out, or your work is not of a neat enough standard that you can easily use it, you are putting yourself at a disadvantage. So, we're going to spend the next 5 minutes, or however long you have left, going back through all of our books one last time, making sure that we've got the basic things right, that dates and titles are underlined, that math books have got margins in, and that every single valuable sheet is stuck into your book. Tutors, please can you make sure that this happens once this assembly is finished. This is a reminder to all Year 10 students that the Envision Community Apprentice Programme is still open if you want to sign up. The closing deadline for sign up is next Friday, so if you would like to be involved, please make sure you speak to your form tutor and ask them to put your name down on the list. And just before we jump on to shout outs, a quick reminder of the precautions that we're all taking to make sure that we prevent the spread of COVID-19. So remember, wash your hands, cover your face, and leave space to keep our community safe.